Alright, good morning. I didn't film much yesterday. I put this panel in. I got it all tacked in, that's all. I'm not going to finish welding it. We had to order a pan that goes from here over to the other side. So today I'm going to start making this so I can shut the trunk. Right now I got it marked. Got to cut this off so I can get the trunk shut. And we'll give it a shot. See what we got. Okay, that's good. Pretty good. Alright, I'll trim that there. We got an even piece. It's easier to make that than it is to make a whole bunch of different things. We're only going to come down to about here anyways. Maybe just a little past it. That'll cover there. We're going to always cut that back out. Alright. Let's see what we got to do. Well, what I'm doing now is I cut this even, possibly even, I don't know. Make this piece here, cut it off. I'll have to trim this down for whatever I need to match that because it's pretty high. Wish I was. Alright. We'll give it the old hell here and see what happens. Alright, I got it cut, fit, and tacked in there. Now we're going to be making a series of little tacks. I'm going to work the warp out of it here where it's welded. That's too high there, so that'll have to be down. This has got to come up. That's good right to there. There. Then we get to come in behind it. Yes, I shut my eyes. I'm working from behind, but I'm working this whole area. I'm not just hitting the edge here. I'm trying to bring this whole thing out. It's sunk down into here. Throw a couple tacks in that. Alright. So I shut the trunk lid and see what we got. Look at that. What do with that corner yet? I like it. Gap look all right to you? Got a little adjustment to do yet. It's wider over here than it is here, so we'll even it out later. And now we're just trying to get things to almost line up. It's looking pretty good. All right. Another piece done. Well, it's not done, but stacked in. A couple little tacks I can put in here. And we can start on the other side. That'll be just as much fun. I'm going to come up with curse words and make a sailor blush. There's a good way to get cut. Get this off. It's hotter than hell. Oh, I lost my shampoo. Ever notice when it's hot and nothing goes right? It's hot. We got a feels like temperature today of 105. No AC. Oh, why couldn't have been born rich instead of so damn good looking? I tell you, it's hot. I need a drink.